In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and play Monopoly Go on your PC. If you're ready to bring the excitement of this classic board game to your computer, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official BlueStacks website. If you're not familiar with it, BlueStacks is an incredibly popular Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps and games directly on your PC. This is perfect for those times when you'd prefer the screen size and comfort of your computer over a smartphone. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the BlueStacks website. Once you're on their site, you'll need to download and install BlueStacks. Find the download button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page, and click it. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to get BlueStacks installed on your machine. This process is pretty straightforward and similar to installing most applications on a computer, so just give it a few minutes to finish. After BlueStacks is installed, the next step is signing in with your Google account. Launch the BlueStacks application on your PC and you'll be prompted to log in. Use your existing Google account credentials. This is the same login information used for services like Gmail and Google Play Store. Signing in is essential because it seamlessly connects your Google Play services with BlueStacks, allowing you to download and manage your apps with ease. With BlueStacks set up and your Google account linked, you're now ready to install Monopoly Go. Open the Google Play Store within BlueStacks and type Monopoly Go into the search bar. Once you find the game in the search results, click the Install button. Much like on your mobile device, the app will automatically download and install. Keep an eye on the progress. Once it's done, you'll find Monopoly Go in your BlueStacks app library. And there you have it. Monopoly Go is installed and ready for you to play on your PC. You can enjoy this exciting game with the enhanced graphics and comfort of your desktop or laptop. Whenever you want to play, just launch BlueStacks and open Monopoly Go from your app library. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you are soon immersed in the world of Monopoly Go on your PC. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!